guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm Chef Dennis M. Today I have a new recipe sharing you a homemade burger. Please hit the notification bell and hit the subscription button. And here comes our ingredients. I have my minced meat. I have the burger buns. I have the cheese. That is cheddar cheese. I have onions, tomatoes, and a cucumber. Then we will spice up our meat by use of the black pepper and salt. I have plucked some few leaves from the lettuce, and we'll have the oil. Now we are going to start with the preparation of the meat so that we can grill it using our double grill pan. Now we're going to prepare our Vienna steaks for our burgers. Now I'm going to add some few pinches of salt just to add the taste, and I will add the black pepper. The black pepper is optional, but I prefer having black pepper. Then I will mix using hand because I'm still going to mold them into the round shape. This is about 300 grams of meat. It's gonna give us around 3 good quality burgers. We first portion them, make sure that they are equal. We portion them. Make sure that you have the equal portion for each and every burger. Now I guess they are equal. Now I'm going to shape them in a round form. Press them. Make a round shape. I have my 3 round shape Vienna steak for my burger. Now we are going to grease them a bit with oil, so that it will cook. Just apply oil at the top, then we will apply on the other side when we place them on our grill pan. Now our round shape Vienna steak for our burgers are ready. Now we are going to the other side of heating them on the grill pan. I will switch on my heat. Here is my grill pan, ready, available in the market. Now I'm going to apply a little bit oil on the surface so that my burgers won't stick. Now I have them. Now I will place my comes. The second one, have it there, and have the third one. Now I'm going to let them cook. I will cover so that they will cook nicely. Meanwhile, I will be preparing the vegetables on the other side. And here are our vegetables. We are going to cut them into rings. So I'll cut those thin slices. Make sure you have a sharp knife so that the slices will come out well. There are those people who don't prefer having onions, but it's still an optional thing. So I have my slices of onion there. I guess I should add some. There's enough. And these are enough. Now I will also slice my tomatoes. Okay, here are the slices of my tomatoes. Should add one. These are enough. I'm going to slice my cucumber. Just to remove that. And there, those are my vegetables. Now we are going to place our cheese on the top so that they can melt well. Just like that. And that one. Now we're going to prepare now our burger rolls. We have them here. We're just gonna press the lettuce. We have our lettuce here. Now we are going to place our steak at the top. Chef Dennis M, I have prepared you a homemade burger, beef. I will prepare you more recipe for maybe a chicken burger or even a pork burger. That was my recipe. I hope guys you can try this recipe at home. It's really very much simple. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the notification bell, comment, share and like my YouTube videos. Let's see each other at the next video.